Hey everyone, welcome back. If the Uber app crashes the second you open it or freezes on a black screen before you can even request a ride, especially when you actually need one urgently, here are 3 things that fix it every time. First, go ahead and swipe up and close the Uber app completely from your recent apps. Then press and hold the Uber icon on your home screen. Tap remove app, delete app, and then delete the app fully to uninstall it. Then go to the App Store and search for Uber and reinstall it completely fresh. Corrupted app data from a failed update is most common reason Uber crashes on open, and a clean reinstall clears all of that instantly. After reinstalling it, if it still won't open, go ahead to the settings app and then tap general, then scroll down to VPN and device management and make sure that no VPN is switched on. Uber blocks VPN connections and this causes crashes before the app loads. Finally, again head over to your settings app, then go to general, then software update, and make sure that your iPhone is on the latest iOS. Uber regularly drops support for older iOS versions. So all you gotta do is delete and reinstall Uber, turn off any VPN, and update your iOS. One of these will get the app opening. Subscribe for